is more likely to be louder, one in the bedroom?
I'm very
आवाज कम कर.
जब आप किसी से शादी करते हो ना तो आप सिर्फ उस इंसान से शादी नहीं कर रहे, आप टेक्निकली उसके पूरी फैमिली से शादी कर रहे
Polyandry?
Polyandry?
Is that footballer?
हो। मेरा पैर नहीं छूटा है. So
He's not a PP guy.
If the buas are younger than him, then has anyone ever caught you in an awkward situation?
But हम क्या PDA करते हैं?
Who is more likely to cheat?
I said none of us.
Rubbish. Fuck off. Security.
And two girls.
ये
Welcome to Two Girls and
Tuka.
भाई करू का मैच है.
Why are you not saying it? So again we are back with our husbands.
Yeah, exactly how we feel. Again we are back with our husbands.
अच्छा आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही जरूरी है बिकॉज
पर तुम लोग हस्बैंड क्यों बुला रहे हो? गेस्ट नहीं मिल रहे क्या? क्या why you calling?
मैं वही जानना चाहता हूँ. तुम लोग ऑलरेडी हमें एक एपिसोड में बुला चुके हो. अभी क्रम मुझे पता नहीं है, वो पहले जाएगा ये.
और
बट too many episodes.
Yeah.
आई फील लाइक हमारी ऑडियंस को देखना है कपल्स क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल. I feel like the youth out there really needs a couple perspective.
Do you think so, Viraf? Do you
I think they're
this-
making money of their husbands and it's just so rude.
It's not fair.
Honestly, I'll tell you what I feel. I feel like दुनिया में बहुत ज़्यादा passive aggression है towards just finding a partner and people think
Passive aggressive.
हाँ passive है लोग बहुत ही ऐसे मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा
निराश।
लोग निराश हो गए हैं कि कुछ है ही नहीं कोई
Pessimistic है।
दुनिया में मैं बोल रही हूँ ना चूतियो
तूने जिंदगी क्यों बोला?
बीच में बोला pessimistic this word
दुनिया में अच्छा
पर तूने
passive है.
जिंदगी
हाँ,
क्यों बोला?
passive.
Pacifying,
मैं सिर्फ बोलने दो ना.
No, but
बोल.
why did you say जिंदगी? Is what I want to know.
क्योंकि कभी-कभी जिंदगी
though.
जिंदगी हो जाती है.
That is true.
कुछ लोगों की जिंदगी जिंदगी हो गई है क्योंकि
Okay.
उनको लगता है कि दुनिया में अच्छे इंसान बचे ही नहीं है, ना अच्छे मर्द बचे हैं ना अच्छे औरतें बची है. लेकिन इस रूम में 2 out of 3 men are amazing.
That was the third.
I don't want to say anything. The third man is her.
That's true. I am a man. I
So
also have a beard.
बाहरी दुनिया में
That's
भी
very mean.
हर 3 आदमी में 2 आदमी अच्छे ही होते हैं.
I think हम सब में एक मर्द और सब में एक औरत होता है.
तुम में
I
थोड़ा
mean, if you
ज्यादा
kind of
मर्द.
like it that way.
We have raised our standards and expectations towards things that don't exist in this world. And we want to tell our audience, see, we adjusted and we compromised with our partner.
And we are
I
doing
don't
it.
know.
We didn't tick all
That's
our
true.
boxes. We ticked that one box.
Correct.
Insan.
No, no, it's a very good thing. Likewise, we also
Otherwise, necrophilia can
Also
even one
opposite
lesson.
gender because we are straight.
Yeah. Like Seema auntie says, compromise is there important.
She says 60% boxes अगर हो गया
Yes.
तो ये हमारा 6 ही हुआ.
पर
But ठीक है.
out of 10 ना तो 60
Out of
हुआ
10.
ना.
Wow, your maths is good.
I really feel कि एक तो loneliness बढ़ रही है, लोग बहुत ही वो हो रहे हैं कि हमें चाहिए ही नहीं पार्टनर. तो I want to show them कि why.
कि
You
instead
should
of being
want a
miserable without a partner,
Be miserable with a partner.
Yeah,
That is so
क्योंकि
true.
जिंदगी में जहर पीना ही है तो पी लो लेकिन साथ
कोई तो हो.
में कोई तो हो पीने के लिए तुम्हारे साथ.
पर आज के कपल एपिसोड में मुझे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात करनी है. वो बेसिकली ये है कि जब आप किसी से शादी करते हो ना तो आप सिर्फ उस इंसान से शादी नहीं कर रहे, आप टेक्निकली उसके पूरी फैमिली से शादी कर रहे
That's weird.
हो. I used to think so.
That's so original what you just said. ये मैंने कभी पहले नहीं सुना.
I mean, no, my dad used to tell me this, that you're not only marrying the man, you're marrying everybody in the family. That's so true.
Was your daddy talking about polyandry or something?
My daddy doesn't know what polyandry means. Papa?
Polyandry?
Is that footballer? Polyandry.
Footballer.
मुझे ऐसा लगता था, मैं हमेशा अकेले रही और हम लोग जब लिव इन में थे तो हम अकेले थे ना, मतलब there was no family angle that time. Only after we
Your
got
mom,
married.
अच्छा, your
They
mom
were
was
in
not-
Pune. They moved in with us, but our mummy moved in with us much later, post-COVID. When once daddy passed away, then she moved in with us because Pune, I think, was becoming too difficult for her to stay in. So then she came to Bombay. And that's when it hit me that you don't marry the guy, you marry the family.
एक सास क्या साथ में रहने आ गई? You marrying the family.
मैं ना अपने सास के
आजकल
साथ
की
रहती हूँ.
लड़कियां बताए.
but you know that this is such a true insight. You feel like अरे हम तो बहुत ही न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में रहते हैं. अरे my parents are chill, his parents are chill. Nothing's ever gonna happen. But when people live together, you're just bound to have certain differences, or just not even differences, you're just somebody's in your space, you are in someone's space, it's going to create some obstacle.
यार मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं रह पाती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट यूज टू
क्योंकि तो अच्छी बेटी नहीं है.
like आदत नहीं रहती. You're not
Correct.
used to
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
But the way you deal with your parents versus the way you have to deal with your partner's family are two very different things. मैं अपनी mom पे कभी भी चीख सकती हूँ.
How is
मैं
it
चीखना
different?
चाहिए.
How is it different?
If I'm irritated with my mom, I can tell her. I'll say, Mama, mat karo. I cannot say, Mummy, mat karo. I just cannot say that. That kind of a rapport is only not there. Also, I feel far more guilty if I say this to your mother than I do to my mother, okay? So the way you deal with the parents is, and I also see that with you, like you also deal with my dad can be very difficult to deal with sometimes. And you deal with him very nicely because you kind of
tell
have
him,
to be
"Mama, mat
nice.
karo."
I lose my shit a bit.
Then I think he's dealing with you.
You know,
that case.
हमारी जब फैमिली कॉल होती है ना एंड जब मॉम उठाती है फोन तो फर्स्ट थिंग विराट विल से सासू माँ की जय हो. दिस इज हिज ग्रीटिंग टू माय मॉम.
Hack. It's a boys. It's a hack.
It's a hack. And my mom just becomes like जय हो.
And she gets very happy.
She is so happy.
What would my mom say if you ever said Sasu
I
Maa
say,
ki
now,
jai
what do
ho?"
you fancy? She loves that.
Yeah, so it's so interesting the dynamics that you have with your family and then the
Yeah, it's
dynamics
very
that you have with.
But like, you know, you said something very interesting that you are more likely
What,
to,
really? She did?
I only
did.
talk interesting shit, guys.
कि you get triggered with your parents. Like if she can tell her mother, "Mommy, shut up, yaar." Can't say that to but also there's a reason for that. It's because you have a lot of history with your mother.
Yeah.
You don't have that kind of context and history and with his mother.
Correct.
So you might have differences and all of that, but his mother can never make you feel what your mother has, because you have like
Triggers.
a 35 years of context and grown up. So you're more likely to get triggered by them. Like I get very triggered with my parents.
Your parents have recently moved in with you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that changes a lot.
For Shishti.
No, for both of them.
No, for
No,
him.
no, for
both of
yeah,
them.
he has lived alone after 18, I think.
18 years he's
He
lived.
lived,
You wanna
lived,
talk about
lived
it,
with his
Bhavish?
parents
It's a
for
good
18
time to
years.
be
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
podcast.
Lived with his parents for 18 years.
Hot.
And now,
18
and then
years.
18 years without his parents.
Yeah.
How old are you?
35, baby.
I think you should have asked
18
this
plus
pehle.
18 is how much?
I'll be 36 this year.
Yeah, so recently you guys have moved in with his parents. So tell me, how is it for you guys, both of you?
You
want?
say?
Wow,
I'd say
suddenly you're respecting my
Okay, I'll
space
say.
to
So
speak.
in that
Say,
case,
how is it moving in with your parents?
My thing is like I have, obviously there's a very good feeling that my parents are living with me. I'm being able to take care of them. This is something that we both wanted to do for a very long period of time. But I am now going back to the, like I have not been triggered. Like अभी समझ में आता है ना तुम्हें कि कैसे how parents react. I'm like नहीं खानी है चीनी, डॉक्टर ने मना किया है तो भी
Yeah.
हाँ थोड़ी दीते 3 चम्मच में क्या ही हो जाएगा, मतलब अरे 1 चम्मच भी नहीं खाना है. And then I'm getting triggered at the small things that they're doing. So it's
दवाई
new
की
for
2
me.
गोली खा ली.
और गलती से
जब
खाली
एक
2
खानी
गोली,
थी.
गुलाब जामुन खा रहे रात को चुपचाप जाके किचन के
और
अंदर.
तुमने उस दिन मेरे को एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बोली थी व्हेन यू सेड दैट. मुझे ये रियलाइज हो रहा है कि मेरी मम्मी जो मैं ट्रिगर होता था मम्मी से 18 साल पहले, वो सेम चीज है.
सेम चीजें ट्रिगर
हाँ.
हो रही है.
मतलब द सेम थिंग्स आर ट्रिगरिंग मी
She's
दैट
not
यूज्ड टू
listening.
ट्रिगर मी बचपन में.
Yeah, so I have gone back to that kid who I left 18 years ago.
But is trigger a very harsh word, or you think it's appropriate here?
No, my patience threshold, my reactions are much faster with my parents. Like she's saying, फटाफट I can tell my mother, shut up यार.
प्लीज चुप रहो.
हाँ. तो
मैं अगर अपनी मम्मी को शट अप बोलूँ ना, मुझे उल्टा ऐसे करके बांध के ऐसे करके जो फेंकेगी ना,
मेरे साथ ऐसे
मेरी
होना चाहिए.
बैंड बजा देगी.
Are you
यार.
understanding what I'm saying? Like
Shut up कैसे बोलते हो
there is a
तुम
very
अपने?
regulated self of mine which I have built over the past 18 years that I have nourished and kept
This is regulated.
for now. It is. Imagine how unregulated it would be. But more like not so triggered. Anger नहीं था. Yes, I could get anxious and stuff like that.
So I've heard this quote, and you tell me if this is going to make you reconsider what you're saying. That annoyance is the price we pay for community and family.
yeah, true. That's what I'm saying.
So
I started off with
would
the
you say it's annoyance or being triggered? Because triggered is like, "Atta maji satakli."
No, it's not that intense.
I think it's annoyance.
It's just cute annoyance.
Cute enough.
And it dies also very quickly.
Yeah,
It doesn't,
yeah.
you don't hold on to it.
Like if I've shouted at my mother, 5 minutes later we're having chai together.
Yeah.
Which is also even our relationship if you go to see. हमारी
I
लड़ाई
don't
भी-
drink chai.
हम coffee पीते हैं 5
That's triggered. That's triggered.
Yeah. But वही होता है ना, closeness is that only ना.
But you know, I have always seeked this whole family life because I come from a broken family. I actually always wanted to go back to a home filled with people in my life. And that rarely happened. I actually didn't enjoy going back home. So for me to come back home to a family full of like people who I love and who love me, like his dad and his mum are the warmest people I've ever met. His father will उनको head rush हो जाता है वो जैसे उठते हैं ना, as soon as he sees me he's like आ गई तुम, and then he'll come and then he'll kiss my hand and all. He's so warm and loving.
Oh.
His mother is, although a little more she's not as expressively physically warm in her physicality, but she'll ask me questions that maybe he also won't ask me. We were sitting today in the morning and having breakfast, and she was just telling me how she used to have dosa like this, and we were just talking about recipes, and I didn't realize I enjoyed talking about cooking and all. So just that feeling is so amazing, and that was also one of the reasons I wanted to marry him, because he has such a large family full of all kinds of people. He has some 700 siblings, cousins.
Who all grew up together, na?
Who
Joint
all
family,
grew up
हाँ.
together. It's like a cult.
Bro,
they have a family
she's
book.
making your family sound like a zoo.
No, it is. I'm
But
telling
it
you.
was.
It's not cool.
2 म्यूजिशियन है, एक स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडर है, एक साइंटिस्ट है, एक ब्लैक होल कुछ सीख रहा है, एक
Black hole सीख रहा है।
हाँ ब्लैक होल के बारे में स्टडी कर रहा है, एक दूसरी
एक आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट है,
एक art- हाँ।
बुआ इज आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट।
फिर काशी क्या करती है?
अभी
एक और लोगों का ध्यान
vet
रख
है,
रही है।
vet।
हाँ एक चिंकी है जो मतलब शी टेक्स केयर ऑफ
चिंकी
सीनियर
नहीं, उसका नाम
सिटीजन.
सलोनी है.
हाँ
Oh,
सलोनी
she's
है.
Oh,
I like you.
हम इसको भी चिंकी बोलते हैं.
चिंकी तू चेंज हो गई. So his family, and they have a family book.
अच्छा, but Shrishti.
Listen to me. They have a book. They have
Oh,
a
yeah.
family book full of family rules and poems.
Not rules.
No, it has that we will be nice to other people. We will be. What is it? What is it
Family
called?
value statement.
Which one?
Baby, it's a legit book.
The
Which-
poem. It's written, handwritten book.
Puppy, the one puppy.
Yeah. What is it called?
It's a prayer book.
Peace. No.
Courage.
Courage.
Oof.
It's called courage.
क्या है? book
Oh
में
my
क्या है?
God.
Emma, but like my aunt has written all these lovely poems that we used to, whenever we would go to her house as kids also. So जब भी कोई पूजा होती थी, भले गणेश चतुर्थी की पूजा है, दिवाली की या किसी की, तो 1, 2, 3 कोई भी हम poem लेते थे उसमें से. We would all collectively
Just open a
say.
random book page.
So it became a family poem book. How beautiful.
Yeah, so
I think
I
she
got
was-
initiated. Like when I got the book to pick up a page and read, I felt like, okay, now I have been accepted into this family. I have opened the page and it happened to be courage. And I read a few lines and everybody repeated after me. And then I was finally part of the Mehta Khandan.
क्या बात है.
It's very cultish.
That's a-
It's so
Very cultish.
cultish. You guys are such
It's
a
And we cut her
amazing.
hand, then we took the blood.
And did you all drink out of it?
Yeah. And we put it
So
in.
I think I was very happy to have people over, and I'm the opposite. I
But
don't think
I'm
I ever
saying,
wanted space.
If you want more people in your house, another way to do it is having babies.
Of course, विराफ पटेल has a problem. वो चाहते हैं कि दुनिया में हर इंसान के बच्चे हो, जो बच्चे नहीं कर पाए उनके भी बच्चे हो जाए. आदमी
Just
औरत
have
सब
babies.
बच्चा करे.
Answers to all our problems is
You
babies.
talk like Elon Musk, brother.
I,
Elon Musk says
Elon
the
को
same-
मैंने तो बताया भाई.
You were talking about how your mother-in-law is not that physically showing love. Like
हाँ.
it's different. For me, it was the opposite. मेरी family में ज़्यादा चुम्मा चाटी नहीं होती है, ठीक है?
चाट.
And
ये होनी चाहिए.
मतलब अगी किसी type.
विराफ की family में सिर्फ किसियाँ होती है. Like it's like mummy just wants to kiss because their love language is hugging and kissing, which is really warm. But for somebody who stiffens when a person wants to kiss her, it was the most awkward because
Oh, you feel uncomfortable if someone kisses your hand like that, like out of love? Like
Someone.
I'm not
But not like a
family.
random guy. But
So
as
for
a-
example, when I come home after a trip, mummy's natural instinct is to hug and kiss. And she does it to everyone. Like she'll hug and kiss Viraf. And then she'll come to me, and up to we've been living together for so long, but initially I used to just become like this, and I
I
was,
used to find it very strange.
yeah, like I'm not bending down. She can't reach my cheek. I have to bend down, but I'm not bending down. And it's not something
So
I'm doing
where would she
consciously.
end up kissing you?
She would try and then she would leave it. 'Cause it was really awkward. Because I would stiffen subconsciously, not because I wanted to stiffen. It was just something like I would
So
avoid
is it due to North Indian culture or something
नहीं,
specific
North
to
India
your
में भी
family?
ये है culture, by the way.
I
North
think
Indians
North India में
Delhi में
इतना
चुम्मा चाटी
नहीं
कश्मीर में you
करते
go
हम
to, like,
लोग.
my dad.
My mom has never hugged and kissed me too much. Like बहुत प्यार आ गया तो आके कर दिया.
दिल्ली
types.
में रास्ते पे फोर्सफुली करते हैं वो वाला.
In fact, I noticed that you get it from your dad. Your mom's a lot more easier.
Maybe.
Your
Your dad's
dad's
a bit stiff.
a little more.
Yeah,
contained
it's like I
because-
give my dad a side hug.
But I became.
अच्छा,
Like
you
if
can't
we
give a-
really
you
want to
can't
hug
give
each
a-
other, we give a side
You can't
hug.
give a front hug.
I mean, maybe we've done it once or twice, but it's mostly a side hug. Like I
अरे
don't
मेरे
give
को
my
साल में
dad.
एक बार फ्रंट हग मिलता है.
सन्नी और उसके पापा हग ही करके सो सकते हैं.
So sweet. See, that's different. It's so different.
But maybe this is family specific.
It's I'll tell you now because my dad is also Kashmiri. So वहाँ उनके वहाँ पर जाओगे तो भाई वहाँ
सब
तो
hug कर
हगी
रहे हैं.
किसी ही कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
अरे मेरा बच्चा, अरे मेरा
हाथ पे,
बच्चा,
हाँ.
हाथ पे continuously.
You remember how he used to kiss all the nurses also when he was in the hospital?
Yeah.
He'd be like, thank you, and they would be
And
like,
genuine
okay,
affection. He's like,
so
thank you.
sweet.
That's his
took care.
way of.
His way of expressing is only.
He kissed my mama also on the hand, and she was
So now
like,
me
wow,
and mummy
okay.
have reached a point where now very comfortably I let her kiss me. I don't kiss her back. So now I feel guilty.
Aw.
Then I'm like, but I should also be. But it just doesn't come. So I don't want to fake
Touch
it. And I
feet.
don't want to. Huh?
Touch feet.
Touch feet is a big touch feet.
Touch
oh
her
my
feet,
god, we
that's
have to
it.
tell them about touching feet. My family is North Indian. Okay, every damad has to touch everyone's
Very
feet.
Pee pee,
नई
bro.
बहू नई बहू तो जमीन पे ही रहती है.
नहीं बहू नहीं करती, लड़कियां नहीं
अच्छा,
करती.
नहीं नहीं पीपी bro. Gotta do the pee.
हमारे खानदान में लड़कियां पैर नहीं छूती है. Okay, लड़के छूते हैं. Oh, it's a thing. Like the girls don't have to. Maybe the bahu has to.
That's
like
what I'm saying, बहू को जमीन
No,
पे
but
करना.
मेरे घर में तो मैं बहू नहीं हूँ ना, तो मेरे घर में पैर
Oh, हाँ,
छूते
that's
हैं,
weird.
इसके तो कोई पैर छूने वाला वही नहीं है, तो I've never had to. But मेरे घर की like if somebody's married my brother, then they have to.
Touch feet.
But the घर की बेटियाँ don't. Okay, like it's a thing. You don't have to touch feet. So Viraf has now gone to meet my family, and he's Viraf, right? So he's like, hi, and he's hugging and all, which is nobody hugs in my family. Like my buas cannot hug. It's weird. Like it's peripona and whatever.
Yeah.
My cousin will also do peripona to his mama, which is my dad, right? Like it's just. So now Viraf is not पैर नहीं छुए हैं, तो I think I told him कि दादी के छू ले, तो उसने दादी के छू लिए, नानी के छू लिए. Now buas are in line. Buas are waiting. So Viraf is not done. Not true. चलो ठीक है, बात चली गई. Now it's become a thing कि विराफ पैर नहीं छूता है. Right? Like उसको बोलो पैर छुए. So
He's not a pee guy.
yeah, like he has to do pee, right? Like
Yeah.
it's
But
compulsory.
also, if the buas are younger than him, then. So you were telling the buas that I'll hug you instead.
We were just aligning on our love language. They thought that me accepting them would be about touching feet and all that, and for me it is not like that. Of course, when I made chai for them, they
Then they
saw
were very
something
happy.
that they have never seen
Like,
before.
"अरे,
A boy making chai for the whole family.
लड़का किचन
kitchen
में
में गया।
चाय बना रहे हमारे लिए मतलब it's a
And
big
I
deal.
love making chai.
And like
I'm-
good chai, not like
I make
shit
my
chai.
really enjoy.
Very
my
good Parsi chai. I love
Parsi
your chai also.
Yeah. I also love my chai. It's so good.
When you marry or when you're whatever dating very seriously, should you change yourself to adapt to that other family, or should you stand your ground and draw your boundary and wish that they like you for who you are?
I think I found my blend of balance, whatever it is. That is, whether it's about making chai for them but not touching their feet,
But you touched my dadi's feet.
and therefore I touch your dadi's and nani's feet or whatever.
Yeah.
But that's the version of balance, because your dadi is like 80 something, right? And that's a
खुद को
difference.
बैठ के आप समझा नहीं सकते कि देखो.
उनको देख के वो वैसे ही सीनियर वाली फीलिंग आती ही है.
हाँ.
Like, you know, I'm not brought up in that culture कि touch me. That doesn't mean. So I had to make that distinction that me not touching your feet is not me disrespecting you. It's just honoring where I came from culturally. And yeah, we touch feet of the gods and all of that, but you are not a god. I respect you.
Like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं हो जरूर होना
तुझे
चाहिए,
ऐसा कुछ
होना चाहिए, of course जरूर होना चाहिए.
आप चेंज होते हो जबरदस्ती किसी और की वजह से ना. एक तो आप उसको पूरी लाइफ कैरी लाइक ऑन नहीं कर सकते. इट बिकम्स एन एक्ट.
नहीं, what is the change?
But
you're
I'll tell
talking
you, for
about?
example, this is like, I'll give you, like for example, तूने अभी उसका surname use किया है. How big of a compromise is that? Or is it?
No, it's not.
You've changed something for
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
It's not. So similarly, doing something for each other's family, it is like that.
I think it should be done. What else is family then? The fact that they do things for you, you do things for them.
But I'm
that's-
saying, like you're saying, na, you would draw the line. You have to find that
yeah,
right blend
as
of
long
balance.
as that whatever thing that you're abiding culturally is coming in the way of your self-expression. Like
What
some-
I'm trying to say is don't fake anything. If it's not naturally coming to you, then you might as well not do it.
But how
Doing
cute-
it just to please a person, I feel like is not the right place to come
नहीं
from.
नहीं नहीं, I think that's being too harsh. कभी-कभी घर वालों का
थोड़ा
दिल
सा।
रखने के लिए आप कुछ चीजें कर लेते हो.
जो आपके लिए इतना कोई बड़ा वो नहीं है.
हाँ, अभी
जो आपके लिए इतना कुछ बड़ा नहीं, लेकिन
चलो,
लोग बहुत कुछ
example
बदल
देती
देते हैं
हूँ।
यार. लोग अपना नॉनवेज छोड़ देते हैं यार.
एग्जाम्पल
वो
देती हूँ.
बहुत बड़ा हो गया.
एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. अगर कल तुम्हारी मम्मी ने आके मुझे वेरी फनी क्योंकि ऐसा कभी नहीं होने वाला, बट शी कम्स एंड सेज कि बेटा तुम घर पे सिर्फ साड़ी पहनोगी. तो शायद मैं ना करूं.
तू शायद पहन भी ले क्योंकि साड़ी अच्छी लगती
मुझे
है.
एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम इज ना आई वांटेड टू प्ले बहू ऑल माय लाइफ एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज हिज फैमिली इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड ओनली इन ऑल दैट.
So tell our audience.
His bua did natak with me when I entered, and I was very excited because she went like, "Pair chuo." She did that to me,
Lucky
and I was
bua,
like, "Yeah, lucky bua." She said, "Pair chuo," and I'm like, "Oh yeah, of course," and I did it.
ये
And she
करने
was
लगे,
like,
अरे वो मजाक कर रही हो,
मजाक
and वो खींच
I'm like,
रही-
क्यों मजाक कर रही हूँ? मुझे करना है. I want to be bahu. But anyway, if your mom said that, maybe I would be like, no, I mean, I'm not
But you
comfortable
won't be rude.
in a sari.
You won't be a dick about it.
But if she says that non-veg का smell ना मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है, मुझे ना वो मटन तुम जो बनाती हो शायद पसंद नहीं है. If she, I may be okay with not eating chicken mutton at home. I'm okay to do that because.
Yeah, but
what
I'll
I
tell you
like
where
है.
you may draw the line. अगर मेरी फैमिली सलोनी को बोले या भावेश की फैमिली आपको बोले कि बेटा हो गया अभी पॉडकास्ट अवार्ड जीत लिया अभी, पर हमारी घर की बहुएं काम नहीं करती.
But
That's a
See,
distinct.
हाँ, of
this you
course.
will not. But I'll tell you one thing. That I know a lot of people back home more in Ahmedabad who would give up their career.
yeah,
I guess
100%.
which
But
is
it's a
Can I tell you?
choice.
Which
but
is a
can I tell
choice
you
they are
something?
making.
There's nothing wrong.
If
Yeah.
you
Nothing
said
There is
one second,
nothing-
if you said मेरे पास 100 करोड़ है तुम अपना करियर छोड़ दो, मैं छोड़ दूंगी.
मैं भी छोड़ दूंगी.
नहीं, तुम नहीं छोड़ने
मैं
वाले.
भी छोड़ दूंगी तेरे
तुम वो
पास
100 करोड़ में से 10 करोड़ लेके अपना
अब
खुद
business
मेरे
शुरू
100 करोड़ के
करूंगी.
साथ बोलिए
मैं
ये
अपना
भी छोड़
बुटीक
दीजिए.
शुरू करूंगी. हमारा क्लोथिंग बुटीक होगा.
अगर इन
और
दोनों
हम
में से
nails करेंगे.
I am telling you today, अगर इन दोनों में से किसी के भी पास 100 करोड़ है, हम दोनों
हम सब छोड़ देंगे. It's okay.
What I'm trying to say is, and what I'm hearing is that if the other person's family gives you a choice, then it's easy to do it for them. But if they impose something on you, that for me is problematic.
Yeah, correct.
If you tell me, बेटा मुझे अच्छा लगेगा तो मेरे पैर छुओ, मैं शायद छू लूं. लेकिन अगर तुम मुझे बोलो मेरे
तो करना ही
पैर
पड़ेगा.
छूने पड़ेंगे,
पड़ेंगे.
क्योंकि यहाँ तो ऐसे ही होता है. In that scenario, I will stand my ground and say कि मेरे को नहीं करना.
And if it
But
is
this is-
मेरे पैर छूने पड़ेंगे, मैं तुम्हें 10 करोड़ दूंगी.
मैं दोनों पैर छूऊंगी. मैं लेट जाऊँ. I want to say that I realize how much I miss my home food when I got pregnant. So when I married Viraf and started living with him, I realized that all my food habits were his food habits. Everything
Meaning?
changed.
Everything he used
जो
to
ये
eat.
खाता है वो बनता है घर पे, and I never had a problem with it. Firstly, I don't know how to cook, so I don't know how to tell my cook to make
कि
food
क्या
that
बनाना
I
है.
used to like back home, right? Like मेरे को पता ही नहीं है मैं उसको कड़ी चावल कैसे बोलूँ. And मैं कड़ी चावल खाना चाहती हूँ पर उसको कड़ी नहीं पसंद है. तो उसके लिए फिर
were you shy to tell me कि मेरे को ये खाना पसंद है?
no, I liked your food. That's
you know,
not
Viraf,
never.
also women by default, this is nobody's fault. This is just a woman's default. We are just
To blend in.
we just I don't like the word compromise because it's not, because you're also doing it to avoid any kind of like कि उसको extra पकाना पड़ेगा, अरे छोड़ना. As far as if he is leading a healthy, happy life, I'm happy.
I
right?
used to do it out of, oh my god, my help will have to make an extra thing. She already has so work.
Exactly.
Fuck it, I'll just eat this.
Yeah.
And when I got pregnant, in my second trimester, I had to fly back to Delhi to eat my food because मेरे को वो तब मुझसे नहीं, मेरे रोने निकल आए.
बहुत डिफरेंस है क्या तुम दोनों के फंडामेंटल फूड चॉइसेस में?
यार हमारे यहाँ नॉनवेज हफ्ते में एक बार एज अ पार्टी बनता था.
अब तेरे यहाँ रोज
इसके यहाँ नॉनवेज 3 बार दिन में बनता है. You eat non-veg for breakfast, lunch and dinner,
और
which was
ये-
too much non-veg for me.
ये शादी के बाद वेजिटेरियन हो गया और मैं हूँ बंगाली नॉन वेजिटेरियन.
Yeah.
Luckily, I am also Gujarati, so
Yeah.
the
Like
vegetarian
imagine-
Gujarati side of my family
Yeah.
helped me biologically. I can eat the vegetarian.
So-
Like imagine his Sunday meal is dhansak. Our Sunday meal used to be rajma
Ma
chawal.
chawal.
Yeah.
There is no rajma chawal in our house anymore. It's always dhansak.
अरे पर तुम
on
क्या
Sunday.
कर रहे हो पॉडकास्ट पे? ऐसा थोड़ी दिखा रहे हो कि मैंने तुम्हें राजमा चावल खाने से मना किया. राजमा चावल का नाम लिया.
All the North Indian. तूने सलोनी को
राजमा चावल
All the
नहीं
boys are
खाने
gonna
देना.
आजा तुझे
वो
राजमा
जो
चावल
चाहे
खिला
घर में
दूं.
खा सकती है, वो इतनी लेजी है,
Let
वो
me
बोलती
clarify.
नहीं
भाई,
है.
आप
Let me
मुझे यार-
clarify. Let me clarify.
यार तुम दिल्ली की लड़की को राजमा चावल नहीं खाने देते?
सलोनी के लिए राजमा चावल भेजा जाएगा.
कमेंट्स में सलोनी आजा तुझे राजमा चावल दिला दूं.
It is a drastic shift, and these are small things you don't even realize that you're
The moral
adapting
of the
to.
story is that just tell your partner what you like to eat and get that also
And then
made
see
time
that
to time.
not happen.
No, but it's not difficult if your partner is vegetarian and you're not. Like बाहर अगर तुम जाते हो डिनर करने जैसे तुम दोनों जाते
My
हो.
mother was vegetarian when she got married, and she, like your mother does today, she's also vegetarian, but she still cooks meat for your father. My mother, for the longest of time, was also like that, and I remember her
My
telling me
grandmother was also
stories
like
that when I got married initially, my husband ordered the meat or sort of got the meat and said, "Ye bana dena," and she was telling me such a beautiful thing that, as a young bride who wanted to cook meat for her husband and she's getting irked, but she wants to cook it to also please the newly wedded husband. So she went to the neighbor's house. She's like, I'm getting irked. I don't know how to clean it because I need to clean. I understand I need to clean the meat and all that. So how the neighbor taught her how to clean the meat, and the neighbor did it few times, and then she cooked it, and how she would have a very hard time cooking meat initially, and then she was okay, and then at some point she started eating meat also. That's
अब तो मम्मी क्या मच्छी पे मच्छी बनाती है मैं ऐसे बैठी होती
I think my mom's a great cook, but I'm like,
कि तुझे मच्छी नहीं पसंद?
I
उस
hate
वक्त तो
the
मुझे
She makes
cute-
such good fry, that fish fry. Oh
मम्मी
my
देखो
god.
तुम्हारी कुकिंग की तारीफ हो रही है पॉडकास्ट.
Oh ho.
And
मजा आ जाता है.
this is also a thing, I hate fish ka smell. So now I've requested mummy that you please cook it when I'm not in the house. If I'm in the house, like if I'm
समझ
So
गया.
you've never smelled your underarms.
no, he has.
What are your relationships with your partners?
I
Family.
think it's also with partners or partners family.
Partners family.
We should, yeah, I can tell you that. I can also tell you how I learned to resolve conflicts with mummy when
हाँ.
she moved in.
हाँ.
So when a new person comes, so we have been living in our space for a long time, and now mummy's here. Now mummy is one of the chillest people I know. She's a Parsi lady who has a non-interfering, nothing you do you, I do me types. But even then, when you are living with somebody day in day out, you will have
Yeah.
Certain
things.
moments of friction.
Certain moments कि ये ऐसे क्यों करते हैं या ये वैसे क्यों करते हैं या हेल्प से ऐसे क्यों बात कर दी या
Yeah.
you know. So for the longest time, I would hold on to it, and then go and tell him, you know, mummy did this. I think you need to talk to her, or you know, you need to talk to mummy about this, and you need to talk.
Typical bahu.
Typical bahu, yeah. I was because I didn't know. I didn't know how to talk to her.
And
about
then when you were doing that, were you like, did you feel like shit? I'm sounding like my own mother.
yes, because
I of course I've not complained about his mother to him, but if I ever feel like complaining about someone elderly in the family, I start thinking of, oh shit, I'm sounding like my mom.
Yeah.
Because my mom used to do this with my dad.
yeah, मेरे dad, मेरी mom और मेरी दादी के बीच में पूरे जिंदगी he
Same.
has episode. Like dadi used to complain to dad, mom used to complain to
Yeah.
dad. They would never complain to each other, okay?
Same, my house, same.
And I realized I'm doing the same thing. And my complaints are very stupid. Like, I think उन्होंने help पे ज़्यादा चिल्ला दिए, help गुस्सा हो जाएगी or some shit like that. Came a time where after doing it 3-4 times, I would feel very guilty. I realized, I remember this, I don't know if you remember this, I was saying something to you that I think you really need to talk to mummy about this, and in the same breath I said, why will you talk to her? I will talk to her. I was like, why do I keep
Mid
coming?
moment, like you were-
Mid sentence, while talking to him, I've reached a point where I have said, do you remember this? When I'm like, Viraf, you really need to, but why will you? I think it's time I need to.
Yeah.
I need to tell her and I need to form that bond with her. ठीक है, उन्हें शायद बुरा लगेगा और शायद वो मुझे चीज़ बताए जो उन्हें मेरे बारे में नहीं अच्छी लगी. बट अगर हमें साथ रहना है तो हमें ये करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैं कब तक विराफ के पास जाके बोलूँगी कि मम्मी से बात करो. सो आई हैव गॉन टू हर एंड शी टुक इट वेरी वेल. And probably now if she has something to say to me, she'll say to me. So you need to do that. You need to form your own relationship with that person who you're staying with.
Correct.
Whether it's
also-
love, hate, love, whatever it is.
But what does a husband who's pissed in the middle of these two women do? What are the right things for, like, what would we tell our male husband audience?
My mother told me something very interesting. And when I was a kid, she told me, which I believe also. She told me, even my aunt told me the same thing. She said, कि कल उठ के अगर समझ तेरी your hypothetical wife and me have an argument, whose side will you take? She asked me this question.
Very interesting.
So I said, of course, Ma, you're my mother, this,
मेरी
that.
सबसे पसंदीदा औरत.
And she's telling me, no. She's like, always remember that you have come, she has come, left her house and come. You are her only support. Like, I know this doesn't blanket make sense.
No,
all.
it blanket makes sense.
But she told me, no matter what, you will always take her and you have to stick up for her.
What a beautiful thought.
And
That
she
is
said
amazing.
it doesn't matter if I'm
And
right.
it's amazing coming from her.
Because she has herself felt the vacuum of that. Probably.
Yeah.
Since we're talking about her only, this is the assumption I had about his mother. I used to feel like she's a very detached mother initially, because when I was dating him, she was not somebody who would call him all the time. He was always talking to his father. He would tell me that when he goes there, his mother tells him, you know what, now you've stayed here for 3
हो गया
months,
अभी
now
तेरा
go
निकाल.
back now.
I
whatever.
love her.
And
Very
yeah,
honest.
and then
Brutally
eventually
honest.
when
Brutally
I met
honest.
her, I realized, oh my God, she's such a
Healthy mother.
she's a very healthy mother. She's not one of those कि मेरा बच्चा मेरे साथ ही रहेगा. वो जो unhealthy attachment होता है कि उसको मुझे call करना है, मुझे call करेगा. If I
Very
miss him, I'll
detached
call
in that
him.
sense.
And I don't think the word is detached. It's just letting your child flow and be. And when he needs me, he'll call me.
Have to, I think what your mom said to you about support, you have to be a team. Like now, not only with him, when I am fighting with my dad now, I have a teammate. Like this
Yeah.
has happened when my dad, where he was just not letting me speak.
And you can't have an objective
And
argument
I'm a
with him.
34 year, now 35, I was 33 that time.
Yeah.
I'm a 33-year-old woman. Like I'm not a 3-year-old child.
Yeah.
But he's dad. So then I have said, 1 minute. I have literally said, Papa, 1 minute. I have gone and I said, Viraf, come on. You need to talk to him. Then Viraf is come, kya hua hai? Kya hua hai, guys? And then you know there's somebody who has your back. Like if you are not a team, then
Yeah,
your relationship with the other families can also not be,
Correct.
nahi अच्छी होंगी.
नहीं हो.
He talks on my behalf to everyone because I'm so non-confrontational I'm confrontational with everyone in my life but my own family. I cannot speak to them about anything that sets a boundary and makes them feel ki, you know, this has to be done. And it's the most normal thing to ask of them. But I cannot. And then he has to step in and speak to my sister or speak to my mom or speak to my dad. When the whole dad Jeetu thing happened, he was the one who got onto the
You know
call
what?
and spoke to him. I just couldn't tell him
ये
that
जो-
you were wrong, dad. So
But this is like
It
how you were
helps.
saying ना कि mid sentence तुझे realize हुआ कि मैं वो क्यों बोलेगा, मैं खुद बोल दूंगी. मैंने इसके साथ realize किया because I was like, oh now I don't need to tell her to go and talk to XYZ, like talk to sister or mother or anyone. Not that anything like that happened, but
Yeah, but tell me something.
We get it.
not that anything has happened. It's
no,
okay.
but
we'll
the
cut it.
point what I'm trying to say. No, the thing is I have established a relationship with them where I can,
Directly speak to them.
yeah, mostly, yeah, I can be honest with them.
The biggest complaint my mom used to have with my dadi is that she goes everywhere with my dad and her. Every dinner, every holiday, everything, everywhere, okay? And she would just be like, there came a point when I remember my mom told my dad, आप उन्हीं के साथ चले जाओ. आप मम्मी को ही ले जाओ. Here, I want mummy to come with us and mummy she will know. She'll be like, no, you guys, you both go. Go see the movie. She understands. And then she will come with us also. You know, she maintains that balance and she does it. And it's not like I don't know how to explain it. I just feel that it's really healthy the way they've brought you guys up.
See?
When was that ice-breaking moment that you had with her mom or her dad?
I had ice, nahi, broke everything, boundaries and everything.
What do you mean?
Sorry, mom, if you don't want this story to go out.
Obviously living in Bombay for a very long time, but I come from a family where my father is like हर मंडे उपवास रखते हैं, घर पे गाली नहीं देते हैं, गाली दिया तो mind your tongue, कुत्ता भी बोल दिया तो my father is like
Mind your, even now he does it. I remember him saying it.
मैंने एक दिन ऐसे बोला ये कितना हरामी है ऐसे मैंने बोल दिया तो डैड mind your tongue. तो इसकी मॉम को मैं पहली बार मिला, जब पहली बार मिला तो बोला नमस्ते, हेलो आंटी, बोला आंटी, and she's quite
Sharmila,
Yeah, she hates it. It's don't. Okay.
I
first
call her
let's show-
Sharmila.
If you have not watched my episode with the moms, please watch it here. And this is my mom, by
And-
the way, for context. This. Yeah.
And the funny thing is, she comes to our house and she has, जहाँ पे मैं पहले रहता था, she's done up the bedroom, like mood lighting डाला हुआ है bed के ऊपर. It's like this warm, nice,
If I have a picture, I'll put it here.
cozy light and all of that. Mother comes in, first time she's come to our house. I was like, yeah, this is good. And I'm being at my proper self, सफेद shirt पहन के, एकदम clean boy I'm trying to be.
हाँ, मिर्ची lights लगाए.
मिर्ची लाइट्स हैं क्योंकि तब उतना ही अफोर्ड कर सकते थे. तो आई अंदर बेडरूम देखा कि कैसा लगा.
With her heels, ना tuck, tuck,
Tuck, tuck. She's come. कैसा लगा? She just looks and this is the first
Cute.
reaction. And she's like, oh, this is your fuck station. And I'm like,
आपको कैसे पता?
because I was like, oh, she's bro. Like I have to hang with her. Like, and she
Yeah.
became. So the thing is, which I have to give credit to her. She sometimes goes, even if she wants to be traditional and proper and all, she goes out of her way to be like cash and stuff like that, which she is as a person. But me and her hit it off right away.
But were you scared in that moment ki, oh my god, one day she might meet my parents? Like
no,
the
I
parents
wasn't. It's so funny.
who are so opposite.
By the way, my parents and her parents didn't meet till the wedding happened.
Our parents met after our wedding.
After a wedding, yeah. My parents actually never.
Your parents met at the wedding. तुम्हारी तो शादी हुई ना?
हमारी शादी नहीं, शादी के बाद मिले ना.
नहीं, कोर्ट में तो दोनों थे ना?
नहीं, दोनों नहीं आए थे. मेरे पेरेंट्स आए नहीं थे कोर्ट में. Because
मम्मी आई थी.
मम्मी आई थी.
Parents वाले कहाँ कर लो ना.
अरे my
Our parents met after.
His
the-
father asked, शादी पे आना जरूरी है क्या? They're so lazy. It's not like they don't want to come. They're just lazy. They're like, is it important? Just get married now. Enjoy life. Like, that's what I'm saying. So much freedom also we don't want. Na? Do little like bahugiri.
So
and
our
all.
parents couldn't come because it was COVID, and the first time they have met is when my parents have come in their most North Indian way with thalis of shagan.
अरे रे.
Okay, like thalis जिसमें note है और jewelry है और इतनी बड़ी बड़ी थालीज लेके आ गए हैं वो. And my Parsi mother-in-law is like, क्या हो रहा है, हमको भी देना चाहिए. So my mummy is so cute. She's gone in and she's got a gold set and she's given it to me because I think she was just feeling like
कुछ तो देना.
they've just put them on the spot.
She must have opened so cutely. She's like, I'll give this one.
Yeah, and she gave it to me. I still have it because I think she felt the.
So sweet.
Not that my parents were expecting them to do that or anything, but
वो
like वो
you
होता है
feel
ना
pressure के-
तुम अपना कल्चरल लेके आ गए, अरे बात तो कर लो. So they have met after we have 4 months after our wedding. May we got married. They met in September.
Yeah.
4 महीने बाद मिले.
And they had spoken.
They had spoken once on video call where my dad was very upset that we're getting married, so he didn't speak only.
I think the most amazing thing on our wedding was both my fathers being there.
1 second, you have 2 father-in-laws. What the
Yeah.
hell is that? Yeah,
And
इससे एक मैंने
both are super chill. Both are super
But they're
chill.
very different from each other. Like one is like geopolitics at DP World, and
You share
one
the same
is like
birthday.
young.
90s villain, like full
Her dad
drama.
keeps sending me like I
The
think
dirtiest jokes.
The dirtiest jokes.
Virav, how did you break the ice with my dad? Like when did the relationship become friendly?
After we fought over you.
But that's so
What-
true.
What did you guys
That
fight
is so
about?
true.
For her,
There
like,
was-
he was not very excited about us getting married, which is fine. He had his reasons as a father.
Excited.
He would have had that with anyone.
I don't know. Maybe not somebody he is chosen, or I think he had issues with our age difference because we are 11 years apart. हाँ वो दिखता नहीं है.
मुझे पता था तू ये बोलने वाला है, मैं वेट ही कर
You
रही
know,
थी.
thank God for hair color.
Predictable.
हाँ.
So, but he was actually just being a concerned father, which
Like you would be for your daughter.
I would be. For my
Hopefully
daughter.
not.
You can hold your view. I'll stick to my view because it's just an ideological clash. not so much so a cultural clash. It wasn't like
Right.
आप लोग non-veg खाते हो, मेरी बेटी veg खाती है. It wasn't that. It was about economics. It was about aged gap. It was about what lies in the future and all of that. So we did have a legit argument, fictitious argument, if we were to put it generously.
Fictitious.
How long did this go on for?
2 years.
2 years.
Oh, there was
Oh my
2
God,
years
that's a
back and
lot.
forth.
2 years of
उस
fight
दौरान
में
इसको
तबीयत
अल्सर
खराब हो गई
वल्सर
थी.
भी हो गया.
हाँ.
What?
And
Body
she
was
was in so
getting-
much stress, which she also didn't realize. She had like a gastro.
Yeah, I had I got ulcers.
She used to
and all
puke
that.
out everything she would eat.
Okay, so this also works both way. While Viraf found a way to be this way with my dad did a very big thing for a North Indian man.
Yeah.
On our reception, he has gone on stage and given this speech. If I have this speech, I will put it here.
I was initially totally lost, shocked, right? But Viraf, a big thank you to you, right? You have been inspiring her in her career, in her acting, mentoring her. The grooming which you have done for her career now is what will take her very way forward. So, a big thanks to you, right? And a big thanks to Dolly ji and Viraf's both the brothers. Dolly ji also has been very inspiring and supporting the family.
He said that on
Yeah.
the mic
That's
Sir, I was
amazing.
wrong.
That's
in
a big
front
thing for
of
him,
the
but-
entire
Yeah.
wedding party.
That's
He has said,
beautiful.
Viraf, I know that I took time to come around and I think I was wrong, something to that context.
That's
and
beautiful.
that I think
No,
changed
and he
everything.
said it to actually he was saying it to his own world, not my guess. Like he decided to
That's
host our
beautiful though.
first time.
Takes a lot of courage to do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
It's a big deal.
But your dad is like that about a lot of things, and I respect him for that. Like, I don't think if I was your dad, I would be okay with 2 girls, 2 cups. And he allowed for that, and
Yeah, yeah,
now
my
he
dad is-
appreciates it and watches all. Even though he may have his qualms about certain episodes, he watches them and gives me feedback
And he
gives you
also has
feedback.
been a guest on the podcast.
He has been a guest, and then
IPL
that episode he has put on all family groups, and
He has said it to his boss
it's amazing.
in Tekken.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's saying, मेरे boss को बहुत अच्छा लगा है. I'm saying, you said it to your boss.
It's so cute.
Your dad does something very cute, huh? Like so many times when you like, you know, you're like upset with me, like very harmless
हाँ,
upset.
oh my god.
मैं harmless upset होती ना कि सही मत कर something she'll say, so I'll be like हाँ ठीक है whatever. I'll go inside, I'm doing my own thing. Dad will take her on the side, which she told me about. हर बार दूँ मैं, listen, shout at him. Don't shout, don't disrespect her in front of me. Don't be so mean to her. You're very rude to her. And then I'm like,
I love that.
and I'm like,
I know he'll also say कि इसके वजह से ना ये गुस्से के वजह से ना मेरा भी खत्म हो गया था मेरा गुस्सा ना खत्म कर तुम मेरी जैसी हो ना तुम मेरी बेटी हो गुस्सा होती हो तुम मत करो जब छोड़ के चला जाएगा ना तब दुख होगा तुम्हें कि इतना अच्छा आदमी तुम्हें छोड़ के चला गया and then he'll start getting emotional I'm like okay dad calm down dad okay I get it ये बेचारा बिहेव करता है ना उनके सामने कि देखो मेरे
I think when they look at you, उनके background score में ऐसा हो.
हाँ बहुत ही एक इमोशनल गाना बज रहा
गाना
होता
बजता
है
होगा।
कि मैं विलन हूँ सबकी जिंदगी की
But tell me something, do you think your privacy is affected now that you live with your in-laws?
she should say.
मैं चिल्ला के बातें नहीं कर सकती
तू सनी पे जैसे पहले चिल्लाती थी फाइट में.
पर
Do you
ये
think
कैसे-
that
मैं लाउडली आवाजें करके बातें करती थी वो अब मैं नहीं कर पाती
तो तुम भी तो स्टूपिड हो ना तुम्हारे घर में 3 रूम है एक उस कोने में और 2 साथ तुमने दोनों साथ
वो अच्छा
लिए
कमरा
तुम्हें
है।
एक कोने में लेना चाहिए था ना
That's true.
आई थिंक यू टेकन इट पर्पसली ताकि तेरे को नहीं चिल्लाना पड़े
बातें नहीं करनी पड़े
ताकि तुझे बातें नहीं करनी पड़े और
I
एक्सक्यूज
have my period all year long has anyone ever caught you in an awkward situation
we kiss
in your
all the
family?
time in the house
Jeetu has caught us.
maids go like this
Jeetu is like, बस करो अभी मेरे-
yesterday what he said yesterday Jeetu he seen us we were just doing whatever
Yeah.
बस बहुत हो गया
अरे cause he was coming, he's like बस मैं होगा ककड़ी लेने गया फ्रिज था ना पीछे
you know how our helps go so we have a replacement help na Nanda right now so if he'll come and he'll sit on my lap on the sofa and whatever or I'll go and sit
Acha,
on his lap
he
or
will
whatever
na? Acha, okay.
I have legit seen our helps go like
it's very weird for them na it's like
but I think you know for his mom it's not that weird I think their love language is that for my dad and mom it must have been very weird our PDA
yeah
Like I've realized that my mom and dad, they both turn around and walk out of the room when we're doing.
Yeah,
That my
even I
parents
do
are
because
without
your
saying.
PDA is a bit much.
अभी
बट
recently
हम क्या
पापा आए हुए
PDA
थे.
करते हैं?
Listen,
आदत से क्या मम्मी डैडी के सामने सोकर चुम्मा चाटी थोड़ी करते
करते
listen.
हैं विराट, हमने की है किसी
मेरे सामने तुम लोग ने अपने
पर तुम
मुंह के
किशी
अंदर मुंह
किशी
डाला
करते हो
please.
या किश लाइक
नहीं वो लोग पूरा
मेकआउट करना शुरू नहीं कर
their
देते
tongue
हैं.
is in each other's tongue.
No, that's not true. We
But-
don't do that in front of our parents.
In front
But
of
we-
me.
किशी किशी
In front of me, why all do it then?
Okay, tell me, if I do this to
No, I
someone.
don't want to see, please.
No, see that. If I do this to someone, or something like
This is okay. This is okay. Now
yeah?
since
This
my
is
camera is
okay.
getting
See this?
covered.
was that
Chhi,
like,
yaar, Viram, this I only you lick my makeup off, idiot.
so this
That
was
day I
a
told her,
lesson
don't
on-
eat kanda. Don't eat kanda. Kanda means pyaz, just for you Delhi people. Don't eat kanda, it will smell. And she's like, he'll eat my lips after the smell. And then she took one kanda and then you ate that kanda from her mouth.
What is your view on a lot of people who value or find
Widening,
space
I don't
very
know.
important? What's your view on that in context of what we're discussing?
In what? In what?
Space. जो लोग कई लोग हैं ना कि I need space. I am not somebody who's not comfortable with
I
too
need
many
another episode to be short.
I have done an ad 15 years back about a boy and a girl walking, and you know, a boy spots this girl at the bus stop and he's following her and he's following her, and the girl says, "क्या कर रहे हो? कोई देख लेगा." And they reach a door and he's about to kiss her and steps back and the door opens and the woman at the door says, "अरे बहू फिर से
Oh, yeah, I remember.
late कर दिया." And it summarizes what we struggle with in India. That couple, and it was for Bank of India home loans, कि तुम्हारे पास privacy के लिए time नहीं है
तो तुम
या
home
जगह
loan
नहीं है,
लेके
तो
घर
home
ले लो
loan लेके
बड़ा।
खुद का घर ले लो. वो ad था.
हाँ, lovely ad. Good
It's a
insight.
very good ad.
Yeah, it's a very good. One of the nicest commercials I got to be a part of. Shivendra Singh directed it.
Aditi थी ना
Sharma,
इसमें?
Aditi Sharma
Aditi
acted in it.
Singh, very good.
तो भाई ये तो हमेशा ये पेरेनियल प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. पर आज मैं 15 साल बाद जब मैं फैमिली सिस्टम को देखता हूँ, मुझे स्पेस वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक माइंडसेट का, ओवररेटेड लगता है. नाउ यू वांट स्पेस टू इंडल्ज इन योर ओन thought or something, or you want space to reproduce and you are not getting to do that, or you
Let's say have sex. We can say have sex here.
you know, people
Sex
are not
we
able to
reproduce.
वो that is a logistical issue by the way.
yeah, people are not
One
sometimes
room kitchen, 4 families.
सनी लेकिन कितने लोग विद स्पेस आल्सो रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हैं.
But you know,
yeah.
can I be?
But the thing is that my personal take, to give a qualitative take, is that I find the need for space
Highly overrated.
highly overrated. Yes, we all need our little thing to center ourselves, whatever that space is. किसी के लिए वो पार्क में जाके धूप में बैठना है space. किसी के लिए वो
Baby,
झूले
can I
पे
ask
बैठना
you a
है
I think
question?
because of this problem, people
No.
have forgotten how to adapt in the
And
real world.
I think space
Can-
is a very Western concept.
I'm gonna
It
ask.
should
I
just
want to
stay
ask
there.
you a question.
People don't know how to adapt in the real world
I-
anymore.
No, I want to ask you a
I don't agree
question.
totally.
तुम ट्रेन में भी space
Do
ढूंढ
you
रहे हो.
think you're also able to say this because you don't have to, as a man, and how the society works, you will never have to go and live with another person's family. You will not have to make, even if you're living with people, it's always going to be the people you were born with and you grew up with. But women have to go and live in another person's family.
Okay.
And that changes a lot.
Why are you generalizing? Speak about yourself.
No,
you are not.
I love my. See, with me it's different because my
No, you are
mother-in-law
a
is not a
woman.
typical mother-in-law.
You are a woman,
Yeah.
and what do you need your space for? And you are living in a house where none of the parents, your
But
parents or my
I am
parents,
lucky, na. My
space
your
लेके करोगे
mom-
क्या?
your mom is very easy to stay with. She's but most mother-in-laws are not like that, and she's also the only person,
Correct.
right? Like there are people who are living with. A woman moves it.
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law.
Badare,
Two
badare,
brother-in-laws.
badare.
It takes years for someone else's family to become your family. Just because you are married, legally they become your family. But to form that relationship, to
Bond.
have that, you have to have your first fight. You have to have. It takes time. Guys, हमने पिछला एपिसोड कंक्लूड ही नहीं किया था, तो अभी हम उस वाला गेम अभी खेलेंगे, ओके?
और क्योंकि हमारे काफी पसीने छूट गए उस कॉन्वर्सेशन से, तो हमें चेंज करना पड़ा.
मतलब
पसीने,
कपड़े
I
क्यों
don't
बदलने थे फिर?
पसीने छूट गए ना,
क्या है विराफ?
गीले हो जाते हैं ना कपड़े, पसीने गीले होते हैं.
और भी रीजन से गीले हो सकते हैं, but two
Would
girls.
it be difficult for you to not sexualize things?
पसीने गीले होते हैं, सेक्सुअल कैसे है यार?
No. I want just curious to know. Is it possible for you to go without
But
sexualizing?
when did I say anything sexual right
No,
now?
you were saying गीला और भी चीजों से हो सकते हैं.
That I said.
Oh, but both of you.
सनी तुम कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो.
Sunny.
इंसानों में पहले और
You
अब
wanna ask
आवाजों
me a
में भी.
question? Just ask me ना.
टॉप ऊपर करो अपना. हाँ. और
तुम भी करो.
यहाँ तक.
तुम भी करो.
We are going to play the most amazing new age game that couples play. Who's more likely to?
Wow, how
Okay.
new.
Who is more likely to forget an important date?
रेड
आंखें
डेट
खोलने
मैं
के
याद
बाद
दिलाती
में
हूँ हर
भी.
बार.
Viraf, come on, you are the more likely person to. Yeah.
Forget a date?
Yeah.
Really?
Both of no. I don't forget dates.
Both of the two.
Both of the two above.
Okay,
Okay.
next.
Who is more likely to plan a spontaneous trip?
Viraf, who are you pointing to? He's doing this, yeah. You don't know how to
कुछ
play
थोड़ा
game
clearly
or-
करना.
I did this one.
Spontaneous trip.
We are doing our own.
You liar! You need 9 days of heads up for anything. Baby, you didn't tell me first. We can't do it.
I just wanted
Spontaneous.
everyone to see your Janani mode. Now they see it. That.
Next.
Who is more into PDA?
I think we both are, Viraf. You are more actually. Yeah.
I think all three of you should point to me.
What? All three of us should point to him.
Point now.
He's too much into video. Okay, next.
Who is more likely to be louder, one in the bedroom?
In the bedroom मतलब.
Loud.
While sex.
Oh, while
अच्छा,
sex.
sex.
Yeah. Can we
None of
open?
us now तो होता ही नहीं है.
Viraf, this point.
I am loud.
You know, Viraf's
No, I am
point
loud.
is
I am
feeling. Viraf's point is
Accusatory.
really accusatory right now. Exactly.
You don't like it.
I'm very loud.
आवाज कम कर.
I'm very loud. हाँ.
He shut.
Next. Too much information.
Who is more likely to be the first one on the dance floor?
100%. Yeah. Excuse me.
He's just lying.
He's saying anything.
Anything.
He called himself
Who is likely to be
self-spontaneous.
on the dance floor?
Who is more likely to cheat at a board game?
Oh, cheat. जल्दी बोलना था ना. At a board game.
Open your eyes.
Hey, you have cheated at
also.
a
When have I cheated?
card game.
When I cheated?
And you called your brother and said, sorry
That
bro,
was a
भाई
miss.
मैंने cheating किया poker में.
I am the one to cheat, so that's
He
fine.
cheated.
We got it, yeah.
Card game, board game, same thing.
Okay, next.
Who is more likely to say Ben shod 50 times while driving a car?
I don't drive.
Point at me, Bhavesh. I think it's me. It's
She's
fucking
very
me.
scary, man.
I am
I
a
can't.
Delhi.
ना but
Man.
bro मैं भी बहुत गाली देता हूँ.
मैं बेंचोद बहुत बोलती हूँ.
मैं भी
उसने
बोलता हूँ.
recently
मैं
जब
भी.
गाली दी ना मुझे
Not
बहुत
even
अच्छा
while
लगा.
driving a car. I mean, parking the car, getting into it, getting off it.
मैं भी I keep abusing.
She
her.
gives गाली.
बेंचोद and all I do.
Who is more likely to remember an argument 3 years ago?
This guy will bring up something I did 3 years ago and I will have no memory of it. Now, how to defend?
Have memory. Remember things.
But her
I am very good with all this.
Her memory is not good. Her memory is very
Memory glands.
Memory.
Yeah, that's true. Next.
Okay.
Who is more likely to have 50 unwritten texts and would not care at all?
Can we open?
Yes. Srishti.
Unread text messages, calls.
Actually, both of them. He's also like that. He
Yeah.
will have a
It's a
100.
Gemini thing.
Yeah, sure. It's a
People just want us too much. Now, what do we do?
Who is more likely to fall for a 25 din mein paisa double scheme?
None of us.
I would not fall. Nor would.
I said none of us.
But I said
I
both
like
my
how it's
fingers
gone
are
down.
She's likely to fall for a scam though.
What rubbish. Fuck off.
Remember that astrologer who
You
scammed?
get out of here.
That astrologer scammed you.
Security.
Which
There is no
astrologer
security,
scam?
baby. I am only security here.
So get out.
Who is the funniest one?
Baby, I love you.
I think यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं. इसने बेबी बोल दिया है, खुश है. इसके बाद झगड़ा हो सकता है. This is a good
तुम
way
दोनों
to
ने
end.
क्या जवाब दिया?
मैंने उसको
Baby. Babu.
And 2 cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Cheers.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Hatre.